Stern is to put the man on the moon. So the plan this morning is to show you the KittaParts Large Vinyl Unit. We've got all our parts. This is a foot, this is a cap. Foot goes on the floor, cap goes on the top. Work your way up. Take yourself a short dowel and a foot. Your kit will come with thread balm. Get your threads and just... Okay, take yourself a shelf and a foot. A little squeeze of thread balm. Delicious. Now when tightening your dowel, you want to be firm so it feels nice and solid and stable, but don't go crazy. Wonderful, that's our base layer. Get that sitting in there, lovely. Once you've got that base layer established with KittaParts, it just gets exponentially faster and easier. A little bit of wax. Up we go. When you're adding shelves, just check that they're all seated. Pop them in. Now you can put your little hi-fi riser in any position. You can pop it on the right and pop it in the middle. Perhaps you have amplifier, turntable, speaker, or you can have it here on the left. But having demonstrated that, I'm going to go with the central cement, come and get your cement here. If you're getting a bit of thread balm, caps, they go on last. Now, they will ship with this little tool. Don't use it. We really just supply this because it's cute. You've done it too tight, something's jammed. It's in 10 years time and you're trying to disassemble your KittaParts to move house. You know exactly where you put this, of course. But for assembly, not required. How strong is it? It's very strong. Do we recommend climbing on it? Absolutely not. Do you have small children? Fix the bastard to the wall, please. We're going to supply a really choice little aluminium fitting actually for wall mounting. That's coming soon. One of those. I like to have mine just spaced off the wall. A little bit of a shadow line there. Or you can push it hard up. Got yourself a handy little standing desk already. We are here for the good stuff, aren't we? Depth is spot on. We've got cable room at the back there. Super stable, super strong. You can pack this out with as much vinyl as you want. No issues with weight capacity. We can chuck an amp in there. This is Aaron's turntable. He lent it to me. I had it at home for a while. My 1-year-old was just obsessed with it, always trying to get his fingers on it. Enough is enough. I need to get this out of his hands. As I was packing it up, pulled the platter off and there was a piece of cheese under the platter. Amplifier, bookshelf speakers from Encell, lovely little family-owned Australian company like us. Full disclosure, I'm not an audio nerd. I'm sure you're supposed to isolate these from this and this and this and from the gravitational pull of the moon, but it's not my jam. I make furniture. Please comment below if there's anything you'd like to see done differently from an audio perspective. I'd love to hear from you. Why do I always pant in these videos? It's because of the bloody stairs. I like to do just a little Velcro tie. The cables run down the back of the dowels, down to the floor. Don't forget to adjust your feet for stability. This is very wonky. This is just loose pieces of plywood. What else can I tell you? These can go anywhere, positioned wherever you want. Ta-da! You got space for 300 to 400 LPs on this unit, depending on how tightly you want to pack them. Sitting behind the front edge of the shelves there. Lovely. Amplifier's got space behind it. And that's it. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed. Any questions? Comments below. See you next time.